In this video, we're going to be finding the perimeter of this quarter of a circle. The first thing I want to do is I want to find the distance or the length of this curved edge. To do that, I want to draw in the rest of the circle. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count and see how long this radius is of this circle. So I start by figuring out how many units equals just one square. So if I count downwards, it goes -1, -2, -3, so I'm seeing that I'm counting by ones. So that means that each square length is equal to 1 unit. So I can start from the center of the circle and count 1, 2, 3. So I know my radius in my circle is 3 units long. So I'm going to use that information and count another radius, 1, 2, 3, and make a dot. And then I'll count another radius, 1, 2, 3, and put a dot. And this will kind of give me an outline where I can do my best to draw a circle. I mean, it doesn't look great, but imagine if I hadn't drawn in the radius or the radii first. Okay, so that outline helped me to draw in the circle. And I want you to realize that this curve is just 1/4 of the circumference. So this curve is just 1/4 of the circumference. So we take the formula for the circumference of a circle and we just divide it by 4. Once I know that I'm dividing by 4, I can go ahead and find my diameter. Now I found my radius to be 1, 2, 3. So if I go all the way across, I would add another 1, 2, 3, making the total distance across the circle 6 units long. Next, I'm going to multiply pi times 6, and I get a very long number. I'm just going to write 18.8, etc. And then I'm going to take that long number in my calculator, divide it by 4, and I get that long number, and then I'm going to round it to 4.7 units. So this edge, this curved edge, the length is equal to 4.7 units. Next, I need to add this straight line segment and this straight line segment to this curved line segment to get the entire perimeter. Well, these two straight line segments are equal to 3 units because they're both radii. So I'm going to take the 4.7 and I'm going to add 3 and another 3, and then that's going to give me a total of 10.7 units. 10.7 units is the perimeter of this quarter of a circle.